Hi guys, my name is Nicole Justice from Amber Music Group. We provide music workshops in music technology, performance, songwriting, vocal training, and rap workshops to include the history of hip hop. One of our most popular workshops is called Playful Sounds, where young people get to come and make a song completely from scratch. Here's a couple of clips of Amber Music Group in action. Hi guys, so today it is day 2 of the BBC Young Reporter Festival. I'm again teaching some workshops. I've got all my equipment set up. I'm really looking forward to it. It's going to be a good day.
Hi, I'm Ryan from Joseph Chamberlain College. We came here today to do some Playful Sounds workshops. The kids were building beats, they were adding their own lyrics, they were trying instruments. It was a lot of fun. We liked it a lot.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much. It's been great. It's been lovely to have you here.
Amber Music Group.
If you're interested in any of these services, please contact us at ambermusicgroup.com. Feel free to send us a direct message on any of our social media or drop us an email and we'll get back to you. Thanks for watching.
If she comes to your school, you're getting lucky, innit?
This is it.